Alright, so today I'm changing out this battery. Apparently my nanny already had someone take out the old one. Go put the new one in, see if I can get her car started up for her.
Where you at?
She's got these hangers. People really know how to rig stuff to find out. Get it together, I suppose. These hangers, you really should have like screws or bolts or some kind of different kind of clamps to keep these batteries in. But you know, as cars get old, I suppose things break. People break them one or the other. Oh, look at that there. I've got rubber handles on the bottom of this. So don't call yourself trying to touch metal parts with electricity flowing through them on your own and stuff. Righty tighty, lefty loosey, people. Yeah. These are channel locks.
Yeah.
And half. And socket.
Okay. You know all about what to wear. Okay. That'll be good. All right. Okay. Hey,
But
you done?
almost.
Is it recording?
Yes, Nana.
So I need to quit talking or I can go?
You goodbye. I love you.
I love you too.
See if I can push this down some. It's almost time to replace it. Probably should just go ahead and replace it. I am not in the mood for that. It's just more work. Well, there was a knocking noise. Sounds familiar. Sounds like my having AC problems. Yep. Just got a leak coming from the power steering, but I had twisted it and it closed some more. So maybe the pressure is causing it to spill out. I'm going to clean it up. Let it get driven a couple times because it's full and see if I notice any actual leaks coming from anywhere else. But I think that just might have been the problem. She had the top not all the way on. I could definitely use more of that. Well, yeah. It's just the reservoir. Supposed to be some kind of nozzle. Is that at the bottom? Might be at the bottom. Overflow nozzle at the bottom. Yeah. Okay. I need to go through this. sometimes for little problems like this, you know, battery change or hell, I guess depending on the bolt size, hopefully you don't have no kind of hex screw or nothing like that, because then you're gonna need more than this. But I recommend anybody, you know, keep a basic set of sockets and a ratchet with an extension, like in your car, in your trunk, because you'd be surprised how handy this can be. And for those who, you know, yeah, it's definitely an AC problem. Maybe one of the doors is stuck or something. I'm trying to open and close. Another job for another day. For those who, you know, want to go a little bit further than that, you know, you could always get you a bigger set of this that comes with more sockets. You know, maybe a 1/2 inch or 3/4 ratchet. I think this is a 1/4. That may be able to help with other things that have bigger, you know, screws and nuts, all that different stuff in there. Everyone should have their own basic jack. You should have your own basic jack. Maybe, you know, like, maybe you got an old used car, so who knows what the hell happened with it, but you should go get one. Learn how to change a tire. If you don't know how to change a tire, I'm putting out a video on that too. So you don't learn all the basics of your cars so that all men and women can be equal as far as your problems in dealing with your cars.